Hello, hello. What I'm cooking today, I am doing the got to stay fry. Bow, 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 bow. And that's what we doing, y'all. So it consists of loaded fries. However you like your loaded fries, you start off with fries and you top it off with anything. I am making sweet hot honey chicken buffalo loaded fries, and I am participating in the you got to stay fried. And then then you're supposed to say it at least one time. You got to stay fried. Like you're rewinding it or it's dying off and all that stuff. So we want to give honors to CJ Sharice and Debo Vibes. Make sure you all go check out their channel. Debo Vibes started this challenge a while ago when the mukbang community was doing a lot of challenges, and they bringing it back. That's why they added the 2.0. Got to stay fry challenge 2.0. And if anybody want to do it, you can do it. Just like I said, it's simple. Have you some fries, top it off with your favorite toppings, and don't be typical. Some people just use chili and cheese or just cheese. Go out the box like I am doing buffalo chicken on top of it. So yes, you guys, y'all go check them out. I have all the information in the description box below, so check them out. Y'all, there you go. Ooh, let me keep that there. Being burnt my skin off. A bar, baby. You want to play with sour cream? Okay, gotcha. I think this one I'm going to. Bar, baby. Bar, baby. Okay, y'all. Let me fix the plates. Whew, we're gonna sit this down so I can fix the plate. Yeah, this thing is heavy. A bar, baby. Meat falling, y'all. Meat down. And Rocco, don't you come over here. Meat down. Woo! Cheese pull, baby. May I help you? So this is Buffalo Ranch. Ooh, yeah, that go your sour cream, girl. That go your doink. That go your sour cream. Let's finish it up. These are pickled onions that I made. Was that last week? When did I make these pickled onions? I want to say I made them last week. They almost gone. This one look prettier. You got to stay fried. Yes, baby. Y'all, let's try it. I'll taste this. He's for the people. And look, you brought me lunch. Yum. Yeah, this is good. I'm talking about I'm just gonna eat a little. Mm. Mm. What the meat? What the chicken at? Oh, here go. There you go. I'm hungry. Baby, that go plate. What you doing? Hey, wait a minute. Uh, mm. Mm. That's good, y'all. Mm. This is good, y'all. This is honey hot buffalo chicken loaded fries. Bow, bow. Mm, mm, mm.